Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just wanted to check in and make a quick little video. Today I'm gonna be doing some exercising with my girl Nyla. She's 9 months old, with a flirt pole. I don't know if y'all heard about it, but it helps like build their endurance, build some muscle, and help satisfy their prey drive, because this breed does have a lot of prey drive, and it'll help satisfy that. But if you go on Amazon and type in flirt pole, you're gonna find a few that I find with this breed aren't very good quality, because if they grab a hold of the toy that's on the end of it, they can break the actual like pole, which has happened to me. So I just decided to make my own one that's like a lot stronger. So you want to buy like a 1-inch or a 2-inch PVC pipe. In here I just drilled a hole through it and then tied a bungee that I got from the dollar store. See, she loves it. Wait. And then I just tied the toy to it. It's a lot cheaper, because the one on Amazon is like $30, and you can get this for like probably like $15 max. Save you a lot of money. But as you can see, she loves it. But I'm gonna get into the next clip and show you like the type of exercises we would do with it. Basically just like taunt it around. But yeah, let's get into it. Get it. Up, up, up. Good girl. Good girl. Up. Come on. Up. Good girl. Good girl. See, she caught on to it, so I'm gonna let her grab on and play with it a bit, just to build some confidence. Let her have some fun. Because if you never let her have it, then she's gonna get bored. Drop it. Drop it. No. Drop. Drop it. Good girl. And this also helps you teach them drop it. All right, you ready? Okay. Come on. Get it. Come on. Yeah, good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, good girl. Good girl, Nyla. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, baby. Okay, drop. Yes, good girl. Okay. And immediately after saying drop it, you want to engage them with the toy again. Keep them interested, because then they know, okay, if I do what he says, then I get my toy back. Come on. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. And it's a great exercise if you don't have a lot of space for them to run around. Come on. Come on. Up. Good girl. Good girl. Drop it. Drop. Good girl. Good girl. Neighbor's dog's outside. They just got a new puppy. She's obsessed. But yeah, that's all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and ask me any questions in the comments section if you need any tips or help building this. Go check out my raw feeding video, and yeah, I'll be dropping a lot more videos soon. Thanks for watching. Get it. Get it. Come on. Get it. Come on. Up. Up. Get it. Come on. Up. Good girl. Come on. Up, 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 up. Nyla. Good girl. Up, up. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.